See the difference. Hi guys, my name is Kajal Kashid and welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to yet another video of Vlogmas, and in this video I will be showing you that how do I go from this to this. I'm going to share my hair care routine, also how do I style my hair after washing, and as well as I will be reviewing my experience after using this tool for a while. So without any delay, let's begin to the video. So I oil my hair very often, and last night I did a proper oiling routine. I used the OG parachute coconut oil and applied it from my roots to the tip of my hairs with every strand. I kept it overnight, and in the morning I have used Dove shampoo and Dove conditioner. Also I'm gonna use this tool to dry my hair. So first thing first, माझे जे हेअर्स आहेत ते रूट्स पासून थोडेसे वाळले आहेत. I will dry them totally with this tool. आणि आता मी लाईक 70 to 80% मी हेअर पूर्ण ड्राय करून घेतलेत with this tool. Now I will switch this tool into this one. Now I will part my hair with two sections. तुमचे हेअर्स जे 70 to 80% ड्राय झाले पाहिजे, कारण की खूप सारे लोक बोलतात की 50% ड्राय करा then you use this tool, but that's not gonna work. You have to dry your hair almost 70 to 80%. So this is how it looks like. Now let's go to the further section. आणि आता हा जो सेक्शन आहे तो मी बॅकवर्ड ट्राय करते. And next is this front section. Now I will be using this stick serum, just one pump. This is enough.
And you have to go through your hair.
See the difference. So I have dried my hair I have used this tool to dry my hair from 70 to 100%, but there is little more breakage in my hair, but that's okay because I do not use very often. I barely use when I need to style or like dry my hair very faster. I buy this on a purpose that I will curl and waving my hair with this tool, but unfortunately this doesn't work on my hair. I have a very thin and silky hairs. So if you are into silky hair, please don't buy it for the styling purpose. You can dry it very well, but don't buy it for styling purpose, in the sense you see the videos of curling, that will never happen on a silky hair. Also, if your hair is having bit more texture and thickness and it is flexible after using these electric tools or like heated tools, so this might work really well for you and you can also style with this. But for silky hair it's a big no. So I have buy this from Flipkart. मला नायका वरनं थोडासा एक्सपेन्सिव्ह पडत होता, so I will suggest you just check the price on Nykaa and Flipkart, and I will link every product detail in the description box below. And that's it for today, you guys. If you enjoyed the video, do not forget to hit that like and subscribe button to my channel, and I will see you in next video.